Good morning, guys. So I've walked the luce and I want to go to the gym today as well, but I also have to meet my friend Madlena if she doesn't cancel, because she has some stuff to do. If she has time, she will come, but I am going to prepare lunch before going to the gym. I'm thinking on making a chicken soup. This way it's easy to reheat. So let's go cook chicken soup together. I took out so far. I have some cilantro, some green onion, garlic, regular onion, this soup mix, celery sticks, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, orange pepper. I'm gonna use frozen veggies. I usually mix, it depends on the pack, and start souping it.
You say you had no clue what I want to do with you.
Lunch and now I'm a little bit sleepy, so I think I'm gonna take a nap. We will see for the gym. I do want to go today though, but let's go take a nap and then we will see. She's also taking a nap.
Please don't keep me far away for too long.
So I came with Madlena. I'm gonna flash her quick. She doesn't like to be on the video. So we're by Anna again. It looks like a Thursday flex. I'm having a coffee. Madlena is having a wine. And yeah. Oh, she's gonna say hi. Nice. Okay, keeping this vlog short and sweet. So I am going to watch Netflix and shower and relax. So see you guys tomorrow.